Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So today after gap up opening, we were expecting a positive to sideways market, but immediately after breaking 33,250 as discussed yesterday, we saw a selling pressure in Bank Nifty, and after breaking 33,000, as said, Bank Nifty came till 32,500. So tomorrow in Bank Nifty, 32,800, 32,850, 900 will act as a resistance. And if we see a gap up opening above 32,900, then Bank Nifty can remain sideways and volatile in the range of 32,500 to 33,200. In case if we see a flat opening, then after breaking 32,500, we will see a sell off in Bank Nifty, and the next support is around 32,000. So your target will be 32,000, and for this trade you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 32,750. But if we see a gap down opening around 32,200, 32,250, then we may see a profit booking from there and markets may bounce. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty 2, as we said, after breaking 15,660, Nifty can fall till 15,500, and today Nifty came till 15,335. So tomorrow if Nifty breaks 15,335 after opening flat, then Nifty can fall till 15,200 to 15,150, and for this trade you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 15,400. In case we see a gap up opening above 15,450, 460, then in that case market will remain sideways and volatile. And if we see a gap down opening around 15,200, then we may see a profit booking rally and markets may bounce from lower levels. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is IndusInd Bank, and if you see the chart, IndusInd Bank was continuously bouncing from 810, 815, and we saw a bounce coming every time it reached 810.15. Now today it has closed below 810, so you can sell IndusInd Bank. If it goes below 805 tomorrow, the target will be 790, and for this trade you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 815. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.